The type of products that we test here at Smithers are those that are used for the medical device and pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical drug products, parental drug products, topicals, oral drug products, and also keeping on top of the really advanced drug products that are in the market at the moment, including cell therapeutics and biologics.
Main thing that we do is extractable studies, method developments and validations, and then Leachables time point studies as well.
We've got a really broad spectrum of experts within the team, and they have a high degree of passion about really understanding the materials that they're testing.
When I was in Washington earlier in the year at the E&L conference, there was a lot of discussions about high resolution accurate mass for identification of unknowns, and I think at some point someone parked up and said, what's the point of doing extractables and leachables if you don't have accurate mass for identification? And at Smithers, I think we go a step further than that with our LC-MS systems. We've also got ion mobility, which can really help clean up the mass spectra to help with the identifications, and also it can help us to differentiate between different isomers as well.
The use of our equipment sets us apart. We're familiar with drug products and the interferences they can create whilst looking at leachables at very low levels.
We primarily use GCMS, headspace GCMS, high-resolution LCMS and ICP-MS instrumentation to deliver extractables and leachables data.
We can use our knowledge of not only the leachables, sample preparation techniques, we've also got robots that can improve precision and accuracy at very low levels and improve the speed that we turn the data around.
Once we've done the extractables analysis and selected our targets for the leachables analysis, the next step would be to perform method development and method validation to make sure that we can detect the target compounds at the relevant levels and to make sure that our methodology is robust, that the regulators will accept the data that we've produced.
The thing that sets Smithers apart from everyone else is the time that we invest in our clients. We make a huge amount of effort in making sure that we deliver the service that we say we're going to deliver to our clients.
We have a project manager who works with the client to understand what their requirements are from a regulatory point of view, what sort of testing do they need to achieve, what do they need to perform, and we help with facilitating that work.
It's all down to the communication to make sure that we understand what they need, we understand what they want, particularly where the two are different, and to make sure they're never left floundering just with a set of numbers.
We can employ a variety of testing for extractables, including USP 661, for medical devices ISO 10993. Final drug products, extractables, we'll use USP 1663.
We can perform USP 665 testing and we can perform USP 381 testing, for example.
Our MHRA GMP certification verifies our commitment to GMP and quality management. We are also up to date with the latest regulations and industry changes.
So when you work with Smithers, we will make sure that we deliver the service that we've agreed to, that we deliver that on time, and that we deliver it in a way that we call high touch. And high touch to us is making sure that we truly deliver everything the client wants and they get it in a way that they want at the same time.